counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Johnson and northwestern Ellis County until 11:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Cross Timber or Joshua, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated warning, but it indicates rotation in the middle of this thunderstorm. Once again, a tornado warning issued for northeastern Johnson County and northwestern Ellis County until 11:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Cross Timber or over Joshua, moving east at 35 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, live from the WBAP Weather Center, we are seeing a strong rotation, a very bright spot on the Doppler radar array just south of Cross Timber, the community of Cross Timber in Johnson County. And that's where the tornado warning is centered right now. In fact, we are seeing a potential debris cloud with that. Now, that's kind of strong language, but I just wanted to let you know that we're seeing it. And that may also be part of the overall warning of this area. But in Johnson County, we are seeing strong tornadic circulation and strong winds aloft and potential debris signature in that particular thunderstorm. So, oh yeah, significant rotation southeast of Cross Timber right now. Let me get back to the big radar, and we'll try to let you